Arunachal Minister inaugurates IITM Travel Fair in Bangalore. The vibrant city of Bangalore welcomed the travel and tourism fraternity as the India International Travel Mart officially opened its doors today at the Tripura Vasini Palace grounds, heralding a 3-day showcase of the finest in travel, tourism, hospitality, and destination marketing. Pasak Dorji Sona, Minister for Tourism, Arunachal Pradesh inaugurated the fair. Speaking on the occasion, he said that his government is stressing more promoting tourism in the state. Peace and tourism are related. Several dignitaries including Dr. R. Rajendra, IAS, Director, Department of Tourism, Government of Karnataka, Sri Syamraju, President, Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Association of India and Karnataka Tourism Society, Sri Prashant Shankhinamad, IFS, a Managing Director, Jungle Lodges and Resorts Limited and others were present. From Indian rhinoceros in India's northeast to Rajasthan's festivals to Karnataka's heritage sites, the event enriches holiday choices. Emphasizing Karnataka's tourism, it boosts the upcoming Mysore Dasra festival and promotes the state's archaeology and culture. The India International Travel Mart offers networking opportunities for the travel industry to expand portfolios and conduct business. Sri Air Travel Media Director, Sanjay Haku added, "We are delighted to inaugurate the Bangalore edition of the India International Travel Mart 2025, one of the most anticipated events in the travel and tourism calendar."
I'm Pasak Dorji Sona, Minister Tourism, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, and we're happy to be part of this tourism mart which is happening here in Bangalore. So we basically are here to showcase Arunachal tourism because we understand that Arunachal has got lots and lots of potential when it comes to tourism, but still we feel that the world needs to know about that beautiful, with a lot of potential tourism in Arunachal Pradesh. That's why we're here.
What is the contribution that gives for tourism to the government?
The contribution, we believe in indirect contribution to the, we are focusing more on the local livelihood economy and engaging the youths and the entrepreneurs, in tourism sector through employment, direct and indirect employment. So we see that over the time there have been a lot of jump in the tourism economy in the state, and we feel it could be one of the game changer for the state because Arunachal, being in a remote location, being such a beautiful and with having so much of potential for different kind of tourism. Like I always say, Arunachal has boundless and limitless tourism potential because when you talk about Arunachal, you have got culture, you have got adventure, you have got religion, you have got landscape, you name it, we have got everything. Because unlike other places, they have only few things to offer. But Arunachal is as such a place, right from climatic conditions to the right from the alpine to tropical forest, you'll get everything there: wildlife, biodiversity, culture, religion. So if you want to experience anything under the sun, you can come to Arunachal Pradesh.
So this is the most, the peak season, and where do you get more tourists?
I call Arunachal 365 days, but that will depend on the person, the tourist, the visitor, what they want to see. If you want to see snow, winter is the best time. If you want to see the tropical forest, summer is the good time. And if you want to do a lot of adventure activities like rafting and all, it's all around this year you have got activities and place to visit in Arunachal. Only you need to understand what is the kind of tourism you want to see in Arunachal. So that's why we are here. We will showcase ourselves now. So we feel that people would love to come to Arunachal after they get to know about Arunachal.
your expectation from this exhibition?
No, obviously that's why we are here. Otherwise, why would we come all the way from Arunachal? Because we are expecting that domestic market is also very important. Other than traveling abroad and trying to do road shows and trying to present ourselves and try to get a lot of tractions. So domestic market is very important. So we feel we've been doing in other places like Bombay and Delhi and all. So we thought it's time we move out from all those conventional places and go to different part of India to tell them where we are and what we are.
के आज इनॉग्रेशन में हम छत्तीसगढ़ को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। मैं नीलू शर्मा, चेयरमैन छत्तीसगढ़ टूरिज़्म बोर्ड, मेरे साथ मेरे एमडी श्री विवेक आचार्य जी सहित हमारे टूर ऑपरेटर स्टेक होल्डर सभी पहुंचे हुए हैं। छत्तीसगढ़ हमारा बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टेट है। हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ में हम रिलीजन टूरिज़्म, इको टूरिज़्म, हेरिटेज टूरिज़्म और स्पोर्ट टूरिज़्म, ऐसे हमारे थीम के साथ हम उस छत्तीसगढ़ में टूरिज़्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए इस तरीके के आयोजनों में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी का विज़न के साथ हम छत्तीसगढ़ में टूरिज़्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए इस तरीके के आयोजन में हम आते हैं, छत्तीसगढ़ को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। छत्तीसगढ़ में हमारा बस्तर बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्थान है, सरगुजा बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्थान है। छत्तीसगढ़ का कैपिटल जो हमारा वहाँ पर सिरपुर है, वल्लभाचार्य जी की भूमि है। हमारे यहाँ शक्तिपीठ है। हमारे वाटरफॉल जो चित्रकूट में वो इंडिया का नियाग्रा कहलाता है। हमारा जो मेन पार्ट है वहाँ हम उसको मिनी शिमला कहते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ में। हमारे एक विश्व का प्राकृतिक शिवलिंग है जो लिम्का बुक में जिसको रिकॉर्ड वहाँ पर दर्ज हुआ है। हमारे एक डुडरा मरास है बस्तर में जहाँ बैम्बू राफ्टिंग होती है। वो यूएनओ में जो 5 कंट्री सेलेक्ट हुए हैं उसमें इंडिया का ये पहला गांव है। तो छत्तीसगढ़ बहुत ही खूबसूरत राज्य, बहुत ही सुंदर राज्य, खूबसूरती से भरा ऐसा राज्य है। तो मैं इस आपके कर्नाटक में जो IITM का जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है उसमें मैं अपील सारे लोगों से करता हूँ कि छत्तीसगढ़ आइए, छत्तीसगढ़ विज़िट करिए, छत्तीसगढ़ को देखिए, छत्तीसगढ़ को जानिए और निश्चित रूप से आप आएंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि छत्तीसगढ़ टूरिज़्म के दृष्टि से एक बहुत खूबसूरत राज्य है। थैंक यू।
My name is Rohit Hankal from Director of Sphere Travel Media and Exhibitions. One of the most important travel exhibitions in the event calendar in India is the IITM events. This year we have close to about 600 exhibitors representing over 25 Indian states and 15 countries. The whole objective of organizing an event like this is bring people together, bring more than 1,000 packages can be done under one roof over here. India, thanks to the connectivity, the improved connectivity with the traffic, there's so much options for tourism now. We have unique states, tourism products, right from Chhattisgarh, Arunachal, virtually every part of India is represented here. Even right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, right from the northeast till Gujarat, nearly a lot of representation where they want to, people have interest in wildlife or they want to do individual experiential adventure related activity. There are a lot of options for them here at the IITM. Time to rediscover what India has to offer. Even our own state, Karnataka, there is so much, often nearly about 25 stakeholders from different parts of Karnataka also are here to meet the travel agent community from different parts of the world who are here in this event. Basically to promote the idea of tourism, promote is an opportunity for them to know more about different destinations, where to go there, what place to stay, and how to reach there. They can get first-hand information from people who come from that particular destination.